Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to evaluate the PDF answer sheets. So for that I am going to use one application. A lot of applications are available for editing PDF files. Now the first step that I am going to show you to how to create a folder. So for creating the folder you have to go to your file manager. After file manager, go to internal storage. That means you have to go to your storage area. It might be your internal storage or external storage. I am going to internal storage. Over there you can see these three dots and you will get an option create the new folder. I have already created the folder here and in this folder only I am going to store all my PDF files. So after creating the folder, the next step is to move to the application. The name of that application is WPS Office. So you have to click on this application WPS Office. Now when you will open this application, this interface you will get. Now let me choose the PDF file that I am going to check. Suppose this one. So when you will open it, you can see all the PDF files are here. Okay, now I have to start evaluating it. So for evaluating, what I have to do, we have to click on edit. When you will click on edit, at the bottom you will get some option. So we are going to use the first option, that is this pen like structure, and the last one, that is this rubber. Okay, now when you will click on this pen like structure, this option you will get. The first one is for increasing and decreasing the width of the mark that we are going to put in this PDF. You can change the color also, but we need the red one. Second one is highlight pen. Highlight pen you are going to use to highlight the part of answer which you see that it is not compatible or incorrect. Okay, you can choose many colors from here. So after selecting, we will move to the PDF. So we will click outside. Now we will start evaluating. Now for evaluating, we have to zoom in, zoom out, we have to scroll up, scroll down. So we have to use two fingers to do this work. So that means we have to use two fingers to zoom in, zoom out, to scroll up and scroll down. Now I have chosen the pen. Now let us move to this answer. See, I have given the extra mark here, so I will use the eraser and I will rub it. Now click on the pen and use both hands to scroll down. Now I am going to read the answer, so for that I am zooming it. So I will read this answer. If this is correct, I will give the tick mark and I will allot the number or marks here. Now if you can see that it is not visible, that means the PDF is not clear. I mean to say the answer that you are looking for is not fit in your screen, then you can tilt the screen like this way. Okay, so I have checked the first one. In the second one I have read the answer, and in this part I am having some problem. That means I am having doubt. This part is not correct. So I will make a circle here, or you can use the highlight pen. After that, if this answer is wrong, then I will put the cross mark here. No marks allotted. Now move to the next part. Suppose this answer is correct, I will give 5 marks here. So after evaluating, we have to go to top. What we have to do, this question paper is of 20 marks. So what I will do, full marks 20. How much the student got? 5 to 7. Okay, here I will do my initial. Now I am working with my finger. If you are having stylus with you, then it will be very easier for you to mark it. Okay, so after doing everything, what I will do, I will click on this save button. It is asking to save. We will click on this save button. Okay, then we'll click on done. When you will click on done, then you have to go back. Okay, now move to your file manager. In file manager, this is the PDF that I have checked. Now we have to move it. So what I will do, I will click on move to internal storage and I will choose the folder where I have to paste it. Okay, so see, as I have pasted it, my PDF placed in my folder. Now let's open it and check whether our work is over there or not. So as you can see that our work is saved. The same way we have to evaluate the PDF answer sheets that we will get. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.